I'm recording the video. Okay. So find this, and I'm going to do a new series on this. And I'm supposed to it's Demolition Derby. So I'm going to play this with the series. Back up. No! You little turd. No. Hey, Jerome! Let's go! Burnout! I'm not burnout, but racetrack! Wee-hee! Let's go! Oh no. Right there. Oh, I won! Yay! This one doing that little damage. It's perfect. Now we're moving on to the second map place. I have 90 diamond and 2,207 money. This is my car. You can get different cars, but I'm just gonna do this. No, I'm on a new track. Yay! Oh no. No! Get back here. Nope. Oh, I hit my eye. Yeah. Oh. Go. People are. So I'm making a new series on this. What, this is a race? It's not Demolition. Darn it. I was hoping it would be Demolition. No. Come on. Oh, you can turn with the joystick thingies. That's better. Oh. It's faster. Oh no. Not good. 14 seconds, let's go. Oh no, tumble! Oh no! Help, Blake! I'm not doing very good. No. Come on, car, you can do it. No. You suck, car, you know that? Yo! So yeah, I'm starting a new series on this. It'll probably be about 10 minutes long, but yeah, this is on PC, by the way, if you don't know that. So I'm in, I got 5th place, this sucks. Yeah. So I'm going to do one more race, and I'm going to end the video.
Yeah, what are you working at?
Mom, stop! I'm doing a video!
What?
I'm doing a video! Okay, now I'm doing one more race and I'm ending the video. I'll see how long it is and I'll pause it and then I'll be back. But, yeah. Okay, we're doing this. Oh, this is a cool one. I was only 3 people. I also have like Candy Crush and stuff on here too. And American Truck Driving Simulator. Oh, how about that, buddy? So I'm doing this one and I'm pausing the video. And yeah. So it's going to be one video a week. A little bit. Until I don't have school anymore. So, yeah. And my car is flipped over, and oh no. No, tip over, respawn. Oh no, I don't need it. Also, I'm going to play GTA in a little bit.
There you go.
Okay, I got one more lap after this one, and then I'm going to not end the video, but pause it. Let's go. Go. I'm in 3rd place. This sucks. No. God, Peanut. Really? Really, Peanut? Really? Like, can you just tell the dog to be quiet? Why is he barking? Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yay! Third place, 1 star, and so if you liked it, punch the like button in the face like a boss, and cheese fellas.
I know that.